In this video, I'll show you how to create a personal Notion page. This video is only for educational purposes only. So go to your Notion. So you can be able to create a Notion page in two ways, actually. You can be able to create via the private page and via your personal space page. So how do I mean? For the private page, if you come on here, you can just see this. You can type in my personal page detail. Okay, let me say option. So right now, you can come on here, you can enter up. I am Frank. So this is for your personal page here on Notion. So you can just do it. So you can see it's going to appear here. Then the second option is if you want to create a new workspace. So you tap on this. Okay. So if I go back to the notes, you can be able to see this option as well. So I think this is here. So you need to tap on the new workspace. So you're going to be able to see how do you want to use this for personal life, for work, for school. So select the personal life, write better, think more clearly, and stay organized. So that's what I can be able to do. So I'm going to just create it now and show you guys how it's going to look. So it's currently creating. So this is our own personal page. So this is it. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.